Hello St. Andrews School students, greetings of the day. Here is your GK teacher Mrs. Pallavi. Today I am going to teach you 4th class GK and the exercise number 18, that is spaceships. So first of all you have to write today's date at the top. Now I am reading. Spaceships are vehicles designed to fly in outer space. Match the spaceships with their destinations by writing the correct letters in the boxes. So, my dear children, in this exercise, the spaceship's name as well as pictures are given here. You have to write the destination name and the number also. So, see the picture number 1, that is Apollo, and the destination name is Moon. Moon is written at the B point, so you have to write the B in the space provided. Now the second one is Pioneer 2. The destination name is Saturn, so write C in front of Pioneer 2. Third one is Venus 7, and the destination name is Venus. Venus is given the very first point at A, so you have to write A. Fourth one is Voyager 2. Destination name is Neptune, so write E. Children, you can write the destination name also as well as the number. Number is mandatory, but for your convenience you can write destination name also as I have written. Now the last one is Pathfinder. Destination name is Mars, and Mars is given at D point, so write D in front of Pathfinder. One quick quiz question is given here. Which is the first man-made satellite? And the answer is Sputnik. One philo fact is also given. The suits worn by the astronauts weigh 103, means 103 kg on Earth, but are weightless in space. जो एस्ट्रोनॉट्स जो सूट पहनते हैं बच्चों, उनका जो वेट होता है वो अर्थ पर कितना होता है 103 kgs, बट स्पेस में जाके वो वेटलेस हो जाता है. नाउ कम टू एक्सरसाइज नंबर 19, दैट इज एनर्जी टू रन. चिल्ड्रन, इन दिस एक्सरसाइज द व्हीकल्स pictures is given to you. You have to write the energy. You have to write the which type of energy they need to run. So the first one is मोटर बाइक दिखाई दे रही है. मोटरसाइकिल में हम लोग क्या पढ़वाते हैं? पेट्रोल. सो राइट बी बिलो 1 नंबर. You have to write B, and you can also write the fuel name also. So that you can learn easily. The second one is aeroplane, and the fuel is aviation fuel. So write E below second number. Third one is auto rickshaw. ऑटो रिक्शा किससे चलते हैं? CNG से. Yes. So write I below the 3 point. Fourth one is train, metro train. So write C below the fourth point. And metro train runs through electricity. Fifth is windmill. So write A. Next one is dam. So write D. Below the 6 point, write D. And water is given on the D point. Next is looking like a solar panel. So the fuel is sun. So write G below the 7 point. Next one is truck. Big truck. And for this diesel is used. So write F. Last one is I think it is looking like an engine. So coal is burning inside. So the fuel name is coal, and coal is given on H point. So you have to write H below the 9 number. So here we have completed exercise number 19. Now come to exercise number 20, that is Indian scientists. Scientists are the people who study about different scientific things and make inventions and discoveries. Given below are the pictures of some Indian scientists along with their descriptions. Identify these Indian scientists and write their names with the help of the clue box. In this exercise, the description is given to you as well as the photograph of the scientist is also given to you. You have to recognize the picture and then match with the description. The first one is, and now I am reading the description. The first one is, he is known as father of nuclear science in India. And the answer is Homi Jahangir Bhabha. You can take help from the clue box while writing the answers. The first one is Homi Jahangir Bhabha. Second description is, he developed a method which explains physical and chemical conditions of stars. And second one is Meghnad Saha. Third is, he was a great Indian biophysicist. Answer is G.N. Ramachandran. Next is, he was the first chairman of the Indian National Committee for Space Research at Thumba. And the name is Vikram Sarabhai. Last one is he was Indian paleobotanist. And the answer is Birbal Sahani. So, my dear children, here we have completed our unit number 3 till exercise number 20. Now, do this work in a very neat and clean handwriting and then send the pic in the class group so that I can check your work. Thank you.